I'm Scott Rothenberg. With the relatively recent advent of Uber, Lyft, and other ride sharing services, I want to briefly provide guidance as to what a passenger in a vehicle should do in order to avoid being severely injured in a motor vehicle collision, and what he or she should do if they are unfortunately injured. First and foremost, make sure to buckle up, as the likelihood of sustaining severe injuries in a car crash vastly increases if the passenger is not seatbelted. Passengers should also make sure to avoid distracting the driver's attention from the road. It should go without saying that a passenger should never enter a vehicle driven by an intoxicated driver. Unfortunately, even if a passenger is seatbelted and not distracting the driver, accidents often do happen, as statistics bear out the staggering number of motor vehicle collisions. In the immediate aftermath of an incident, a passenger should assess all the occupants of the vehicle and then dial 911. Assuming none of the injured victims require immediate medical assistance for life-threatening injuries, if possible, photos of the cars involved in the collision should be taken by the passenger or someone else. The passenger should also try to obtain the insurance information from the drivers of the vehicles, as well as any witnesses' names and contact information, as witnesses may leave the incident scene prior to the police arriving. The passenger's primary focus, though, should be to obtain any necessary medical treatment as soon as possible. Depending upon which state the incident occurs, or whether the passenger has their own car insurance coverage, the medical bills should primarily be paid by one of the car insurance carriers as opposed to the passenger's health insurance carrier. There are deadlines as to when a medical benefit application needs to be filed with the car insurance carrier, so a passenger should not delay. If a passenger sustains a serious personal injury as a result of the crash, there are numerous possibilities to recover compensation, be it from the insurance carriers of the driver of the passenger's vehicle, the owner of the passenger's vehicle if the driver was driving someone else's vehicle, the other vehicle's driver and or owner, and possibly the passenger's own car or umbrella insurance carrier. It's prudent not to make any recorded statements to any of the numerous insurance carriers' representatives prior to contacting a personal injury attorney, as the insurance carriers' representatives may likely attempt to take advantage of an unrepresented injured individual who may be deceived into making a statement that could impact their right to recover full compensation.